Looking good.
Sit in the shade.
Yeah. Burn it.
Yeah, I still see minnows jumping up there. Oh, got one.
Nice. Got some drag.
It doesn't feel like a catfish. It doesn't feel like a catfish. It's big. It keeps trying to get towards that anchor rope. Yeah, he's trying. Oh, it's a catfish. Yeah, sail cat. But it's a biggin. Gosh, they run some drag. That sucks. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Yeah. Noah, can you pull on this? Got it. Stop. Pull it harder. There we go.
Got it?
I just got to get this part out. This part out. Got him. I'm not letting you beat me this time. This is going to be fair and square. 2.96. Yeah, we're having a hard time casting.
Of course, it's very windy out. We should just stop.
Can we go to the other side of the bridge?
I would rather go by an island where you don't have all this wind.
Okay.
Let's do that, Dad. This one is picking up.
Yeah. Oh, Noah's got a fish.
Yeah. Is it a big one?
Yeah, that's small.
You're supposed to get the big one.
It's fighting. It's decent.
Is it a catfish?
It's pulling.
Just don't get too far the other way. You'll be on the anchor rope.
God dang, he's like swimming down. Come on. Oh, yeah,
It's a catfish.
There we go.
Well, yeah, I was thinking you guys were pros at this all along.
One more shrimp.
Well, should I pull her up?
I think we should go to that catfish hot hole one last time before we call it. Because that was fun. And Noah has to have a chance of catching me with my 3-pounder.
They were right here.
Yeah, it was pretty close to being exactly right here. Yep, I'll handle the anchor. Yeah, look at all these minnows up here. This is the honey hole.
Yeah, it really is. This is the honey hole.
Ooh, Noah's got one.
Noah's cowboying it like a true Texan.
Yeah. Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. Yeah.
Oh! Why is it red? Oh. Is that his gills right there?
That's your shrimp.
Oh, that's. Hey, look at that. One more shrimp. Hopefully he doesn't die.
He swam off.
Look at all that mess he made.
We better get that before Dad sees it. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Fish poop.
That's gross.
There's the minnows. I see you, minnows.
Not far enough.
They're right there.
Oh,
They're pretty far.
I think I got it.
Perfect. Got him.
Yeah, you got one.
This one's tiny. He bit it like. Ooh, that one felt solid, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Woo! Oh, he's trying to get under the boat. I wonder if that's the same one.
Are you done? Are you out of shrimp?
Yeah, we're out of shrimp. So I'm just saying this is the only big we got.
No, I mean, do you have any shrimp left?
No, we got that's all.
On your hook?
Huh?
On your hook?
Yeah, I took my whole shrimp.
Oh, so you're done fishing anyways.
Yeah. So you want me to dump this?
Unless you want to put a head on.
I don't want to take it back over this.
Yeah.
If you're done fishing, you can throw it in.
Maybe give us some chum.
I have an idea.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Bring him in nice and slow. And still come back and hit it.
Look at this. Magical shrimp fairy.
You're done with this. Yes. I don't know why I'm not getting stuff coming in. Somebody better grab this. I don't want it.
Is there a fish on there?
I don't care if it's you or no. Somebody better grab this. I don't want it.
Well, it's not a fish.
Yeah, it is. It's a fish. Just don't let it slack in the line.
Here, Noah.
All right, switch.
Yeah, when I set the hook, I know he's on there. Just whether you keep him on or not, it's a different story. Oh, shoot.
There we go.
I set the hook good.
It's just not biting. Weird.
It's probably not a catfish.
Oh, that's a huge one. Wait, oh my gosh. That's a monster.
Oh no.
Yo, yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, I wish we had this. What do you want?
You gotta bring him to the front.
Yeah.
You don't have to have a net, do you? You guys got stuff laying all over the place.
Yeah, I know.
This is so awesome.
Still left up in the line. You know, you gotta. The biggest one. You're gonna have to weigh him or something, Brandon.
Yeah, we're gonna weigh this one. I'm waiting to see if another one will come up and I can catch it.
Yes! Wait, what?
Is there two?
Oh, I thought there was.
I'm like, I'm
Like
waiting.
a little baby one in there, I thought. But it's just a fish.
Because that would be so cool to do that again.
Here we go. Oh yeah, way bigger.
3.4.
He beat you.
Well, technically, we kind of all touched that
What are
fish.
you talking about?
Dad caught it, handed the pole to me, I handed the pole to you.
I was the one that cast it. What are you talking about?
Oh, that is true. Here you go.
Sweet. Good, buddy. Right there. Oh, that was like perfect. That was awesome.
That was cool.
Oh. It finally worked. Holy crap.
He didn't even take your bait.
No, he was just sitting with it. It was great.
Well, I think we found your honey hole.
Yeah, I like this spot. It's got big catfish in it.
Nice.
Oh, crab!
Get it. Oh, that's a blue crab. That's nice.
It's a blue crab. He will bite you.
Oh yeah, he's trying to pull that shrimp off.
Don't let him fall in the boat.
He's hooked pretty good. You can grab him from behind, right?
Yeah, you can. I don't think they can reach. I think that's a male too. Woo! You almost got me.
You need the pliers.
We're just having fun, Dad.
I'm not going to water. Not in the boat. You gotta grab the hook out.
Dad, we're just having fun.
Hook out, just like we did the rest of the thing.
Ooh.
Are you gonna try grabbing by his shell
Yeah,
again?
I'm trying to.
Here, let me bring him to the front so Dad stops freaking out. Okay. What are you trying to do? Oh, that came out easy.
Okay, here you go.
You got a picture with it? Now that you got him held up? You hold him.
Got it.
Okay.
Perfect.
If they get a hold of him, yeah, he'll bite him.
That's so cool. There's a tiny little gator right outside.
He's not little.
Right by the rental car. No, how big is he? Like 5 or 6 feet, you think?
I would say he's closer to 6. If you look at it, at his eyes to his nose, that's I don't know how many inches that is. That's at least six inches.
And we gotta go load the stuff in the back of that rental car. Yeah, we gotta get out of here before it floods. The road's already underwater.
Say that again.
Oh, look, he went off the road on that side. side and then tipped over.
So you might